Alright, I'm going to do a short video showing you guys how to take off popcorn ceilings. A lot of people, they do knockdown ceilings now. They're done with popcorn. They don't like the look of it. And it holds a lot of dust and debris and spider webs and stuff. So we're going to do a short video to show you. We've already started in this room. As you can see right here, the popcorn on this ceiling has already been sprayed with latex paint. So typically a popcorn ceiling, it doesn't hold together like that. So what that is the paint mixed in, holding it together. Somebody's already painted over it. This is an apartment complex, so it's a lot more difficult to take it off than your normal popcorn, because normal popcorn just falls off like kernels of popcorn on your ceiling. And the trick is using water. Get you a bug sprayer or a weed sprayer, and you want to soak it down with water after you go around the perimeter and plastic it off with tape. This house, we're going to have some sheetrock work done, so we're not going to be too picky on covering the walls. And this is just to protect your walls from being soaking wet and roomy. So Aaron went through already, and he pre-scraped the popcorn. Show him, Aaron, like what you did a little bit. He just kind of sprayed it, scraped it off like that.
Just lightly run your tool over it, just enough to break the latex paint up so your water can penetrate.
So the whole point is to get it soaking wet so the water will loosen it up and soften it and peel it off. It makes a big mess, but like I said, normal popcorn comes off super, super easy. But this has a paint mixed in, so it makes it a little more difficult. So just go around and literally soak it down. The wetter it gets, the better. And if you use warm water, it's even better, but we don't have access to warm water right now. But you can see, it comes off like butter once you get it wet. But that paint really holds it together. Kind of nice it being painted a little bit because it makes a little bit less mess. Normally this amount right here would just be all over the place. So we can just throw that in the trash. Don't be worried about how much water you're spraying on the ceiling. The wetter, the better. That's the truth. It's a dirty job, but how we charge by this is per room. Some people charge by the square foot, but what we do is charge by the room. It's about $200 per room to scrape it off, spray the new knockdown, and then we charge a separate fee for the painting. So there's decent money in it if you're fast at it, and you need to remember if you are pricing these jobs that you check and see if it's been painted. It's very important because it definitely takes a little bit longer. When I have somebody scraping, just keep spraying.